Hello and welcome. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to install the Tanzu SQL operator with MySQL and deploy an instance. First, a little setup. I'm going to get the operator directly from TanzuNet registry, so I need to enable OCI support, which is new, and log into the registry. I'm going to create a namespace in a Kubernetes cluster where I will deploy the operator. I'm using TKGI for this example, but you can use any Kubernetes that you have on hand. Next, it's important to create a Docker secret so that Kubernetes can read the registry as well. Now that I'm set up, I can pull the chart. And now that I have it on my local machine, I can export it, which is just going to create a local directory on my file system. And now that we've done all that, it's very simple to deploy the operator. Just helm install. And that's it. Let's check to see that it's up and running. There it is. Okay, so deploying an instance is nearly as easy. And I'll start by switching to a developer namespace, in this case, T-SQL demo. And each namespace needs the Docker secret, so I'll have to recreate it again here. You only have to do this once for each namespace. So although it's a bit of a pain to get it started once you've done it, you never have to do it again. In order to create an instance, I'm going to modify the instance template, so I'm making a copy. And you can get the template from documentation or directly download it from TanzuNet. You have to name every single instance, so we're going to call ours demo MySQLDB. Notice that there's a reference to that Docker registry secret that we talked about. For this Kubernetes cluster, I have to set the storage class to thin, and we'll enable it to be load balanced, and we'll enable high availability, and then just set some resources to show that we can keep the deployment tight. And that's it. Creating an instance as simple as kubectl apply. Now, this next step is sped up a little bit. The system is doing quite a bit of work for you, but on my system it only takes about 2 minutes total. So I just wanted you to see what that looks like. And that's it. Your HA instance is ready to go. And we can check on it here, and we can see that it is marked both as ready and running. There it is. And we can get the cluster IP address, which you would give to other applications that you would deploy on Kubernetes in order to talk to the database. That's all for now. Feel free to check out our other videos to learn more. Thanks.